Setting up your development environment. So we will use Android Studio, which is the official IDE for Android app development. Therefore we need to install it with the required plugins. Installation of Android Studio. Android Studio run on Java runtime environment, JRE. Java runtime environment can be installed on Windows, Mac, Linux computers. We need to follow the step given here, that installation of Android Studio independent of our operating system. So first of all, installation of Java. Java is developed by Oracle. There are the basically two Java package: Java Runtime Environment (JRE) and Java Software Development Kit (JDK). JRE is used for running software written in Java programming language, whereas JDK is utilized for developing Java software. Therefore, installing Java runtime environment is adequate for the running Android Studio, because we will not develop Java software here. Please navigate to understand following, that you will be presented with this download option, and just select the version compatible with your operating system. Download it and install it with the usual installation procedure. Second, we will installation of Android Studio and Android Software Development Kit. Android Studio is bundled with Android Software Development Kit. Please navigate to the official download site located, and the download link for the Windows version shows as if you go there you will see at that site, but if you are scroll down you can find the setup file available. So you can download Java software runtime environment and download. Do you want to run Java programming? Yeah. Do you want to develop Java program? If you want to run Java program but not develop, download the Java runtime environment. If you want to developing application for Java, download the Java Development Kit JDK. The JDK include the JRE, so you do not have to download both separately. When you download and install Android Studio, Android Software Development Kit will also be automatically installed. So it's a installation of Software Development Kit updates. After the installation of Android Studio, it is better to check Software Development Kit update. For this, run Android Studio and open a Software Development Kit Manager from Tools, Android Software Development Kit Manager to shown here. Now please open the standalone Software Development Kit Manager by clicking the link indicated. If you go there directly by searching Software Development Kit Manager, you can go through the website and click on install package. After you install the package, you will have the latest Software Development Kit and be ready to develop apps. However, before our test drive app, one more step is needed: setting up the emulator. Installation of emulators. Emulators are softwares that mimics the behavior of real device. When we develop an app, we obviously will not have all the possible devices, Android phone, tablet, etc. available at hand. Because of this, we run the apps on emulators for testing on various devices. Emulators are also called as Android Virtual Device or Android Studio. In Android Studio, when Android Studio is first installed, there is a no default AVD. We need to create one before testing our apps. For this, select Tools, then Android, then AVD Manager. Now I will show a picture to you, and you should go setting up development environment, then launching the AVD Manager. When AVD Manager appears, there will not be any AVD created or installed. Please click on the plus create a virtual device button. AVD managers will show a detailed window. You can select various devices with different screen sizes and other hardware. Properties, you can select device group from the left pane as TV, phone, etc. Phone group is the default selection in the group. Nexus 5 also selected by default. When you click next, you will be presented by the choice for the Android version of the ABD. The recommendation target start from the Android. Begin Android with Google API as shown. Then please click the next and give the name you like to add to the APD. I didn't change the default in the next screen, but after clicking finish, the ABD is created and shown in the ABD manager as is figure. You can now try your Android app on this ABD, which will accurately mimic the behavior of real phone. We can run the ABD by clicking the play button shown inside the square. The virtual device will appear as which you can use the like a real Nexus 5 phones. So after installing both the development environment and the emulator, we are now ready to develop our test drive app. Hello world in the next chapter.